Right, just a very quick video because I need a bit of a hand. I need some information about these pipes. But first of all, for anybody who's been buying things off my shop, I have to tell you that Canada Post is on strike. So although they'll take the money and process the shipping, all the mailboxes are sealed up. You can't go down to the post office or anything. So I don't know when that's going to be over. Right at the mouth of Christmas anyway. Good, eh? Right, let's have a look at my problem here. So this is my next problem. You can maybe help me. I think the bottom hose is on right. I think it is. I can't understand why it's like this, because remember this is a left-hand drive. But these hoses were very tight to put on. But what's puzzling me is this top hose. Why is it like that? Why doesn't it just go straight from there to there? Why does it go underneath? What am I missing? Apart from it's supposed to have maybe a cowling on, but this hose seems to be very tall. I'm sure I've got them on right, but by God, they were a bitch to fit. Really tight. I don't even think you need hose clips on them. Anyway, see what you think. Let me know, because we're getting there. We're getting there fast now. Oh, wait a minute. I've got that bloody thing there to put in, that sensor. Maybe I could shorten the hose a bit. Oh, I'm not sure. Tell me what you think.